Alright, here we are. February 13th, 2014. Not quite Snowmaggedon, but, you know. Oh, and I'm not using a vertical video! Shooting horizontally. Got a, someone's car is stuck here. My parents shoveling. Here's my beautiful car. That's, covered in snow. Say hi, Mom! Got about a foot here. Maybe even more, who knows? Wow, I mean, I'm short. This is I'm gonna go like right through, and it's gonna be really cold. Yeah. So, yeah. I didn't record a video during Snowmaggedon, so this is gonna take a. If I get some time later, I'll go across the yard and do that. But right now, we'll just do this short little video here. Show you what's going on here. And I'm actually recording a horizontal video for once, so everyone can see clearly. And yeah, so everyone stay safe out there, and I'll get back to you soon. Peace.